going to open these gifts with Nico. And let's go start. Let's open this. Is it Kurumi or Melody or something else? Let's go. Let's see. Okay, I've been waiting for this. I want to open this, but Nisa cannot come here because he's taken off with Talia. Yes, Talia. Right? Open it. No, I can open it myself. See? Hello Kitty, bro. Oh, I can't believe it's my favorite character. Oh my god, wish come true! My favorite character. Okay, let's watch inside. What's is Can you not see it, Nico? What? Wow. So cute. It's this, but it's look like this. So that's okay. It's still pink though. I love pink. Okay, let's go. It's for my bag. At this. Okay, speak English. I don't speak Bisaya. Wait. Oh, it looks so cute. Okay, let's open more gifts. Let's open this. Yes. I know it's gonna be Barbie, but I'm not a little kid. So not a Barbie. It is a wait. What is it? Okay. What? Can you open it? Okay, open it, please. Look, guys, this is so cute. Cause there's a Christmas party, right? It's very fun. And Nico have this yo-yo because he is in the Christmas party. Done? Wait, I know what this is. Makeup. Cause Nisa have this make. I knew it. Look, it's a makeup. I'm not a little girl, but that's okay. I'm still a kid. I'm not a little girl, but I'm a kid. Okay, look. What is this? Oh, I know what's gonna be. See, it didn't work. Stop laughing. We're going to open this lucky bag. Lucky bag. Come on, come on. What the? What is this? What the? Is this marbles? Yes. This is marbles. What am I going to do with the marbles? Yeah, you can get it. I don't care about marbles. Wait, don't leave. I have this food. And let's go open this. Because it's from here, that. Is that? Is this a balloon or something? Yes, that is a balloon. Very good. What the? Oh, there's more balloon. You can get it. Marble.